Good morning, Sunday. Thank you for joining us again this morning. Hope you guys had a nice night last night. Stephen, what did you do last night?
I wasn't really informed I was going to be telling anybody what I was doing last night.
Oh, I'm just putting you on the spot, so it's okay. You don't have to say anything. You don't have to say anything.
That's good.
I'm just
Did do nothing.
taking the piss. That's all good. Okay, so let's get stuck into the first question. This question is from Paul and Benita. They say, we are first home buyers and are cautious that people would try to take advantage of us. What should we consider before starting our property search? Thank you for the question, guys. Certainly, if you haven't purchased a property before, what can be a little bit daunting is understanding the process, start to finish, and the expectations of everyone who you would involve in between. So the first thing I would advise is sit down with someone who has purchased lots of properties, and as an agent, happy to give you advice, or if you've got friends who have purchased properties, sit down with them and ask them how their experiences have been and what they needed to do beforehand to make sure that they made the right decisions through the process. Things like understanding how your solicitor works or your conveyancer, the role of the agent and what it is that they're there to do and facilitate. And also having a little bit of understanding of the legislation. That's probably a whole nother session that we could talk about, and it would be far too long, so I can't cover that now. But yeah, I think just understanding the process start to finish, what your rights are as well. But again, if you have any questions on this or want to privately message me, you can certainly do that too. So from our point of view, I know when we were buying our first property,
She was a mess.
I was an absolute mess. You know, how long had I been in real estate? Was it 5 or 6 years or something?
7, 8 years.
Yeah, and I thought I had it down packed. I knew everything. I could keep my emotions in control. Didn't happen, did it?
No.
No. So, but I mean, at the end of the day, it was a great transaction, and we're certainly very happy where we were. But I think just being first home buyers, it is incredibly daunting and can be a little bit scary. So I think talking to someone who can give you some good advice every step of the way is probably my best advice. Anything that you would remember, Stephen?
I'd say
advice?
I sort of go off instinct and feeling, sort of gut feeling. If you're feeling stressed out about it, or you're feeling this isn't right, just take a breather, go and have a think about it, and tomorrow's always another day, you know?
Yeah, take a step back.
Yeah, you see people getting stressed out to the max, and you just need to just relax, take a breather, because as I say, I thought Kathleen would have been cool as, she was just a disaster. That's the easiest way to say it.
Hopefully second time around we'll buy the next place, I won't be as...
Let's just
crazy.
stick with the one place.
Yeah, let's stick with one.
Hey?
One mortgage is fine enough.
Yeah.
Anyway, well,
So-
thank you again for joining us this morning. Hope you guys are enjoying the new addition to the Good Morning Sunday.
The better looking edition.
Sorry, Jack, but we love you, Jack. We love you. Anyway, I hope you have a nice end to your weekend. So, see you guys. Bye.
See you later.